Restoration of an iconic Jeep from World War II. The Willys-Overland MB was the iconic vehicle of World War II. Over 363,000 Willys Jeeps were built. They were simple to repair and widely used. All three of these vehicles are known as Jeeps. First came the Bantam, then the Willys, followed by the Ford. Jeep's story begins in 1940, when only the American Bantam Car Company and Willys-Overland Motors responded to the US War Department. Bantam designer Carl Provost designed the Bantam Jeep in just 2 days and costed his design on the third day. The Bantam Company was not able to fulfill its government contract, and only 2,675 BRC Jeeps were built. The War Department invited Willys to refine the Bantam design. Their response was the Willys-Overland MB. But not even 363,000 Willys Jeeps built was enough for the war effort. Ford were then invited to go into production and responded with their GPW Jeep, powered by the 60 horsepower Go Devil engine. The GPW had a go-anywhere design and robust build quality. Ford had the production capacity to fulfill the War Department requirement of producing a minimum of 75 Jeeps per day. There are lots of claims on the Jeep name, from a slang version of GP, general purpose, to Popeye the cartoon.
I always wanted a Willys Jeep. Every kid wanted a Willys Jeep back in the day. They were getting harder and harder to come by, and I ended up buying two of these machines. This is a Dodge weapons carrier and 4 Jeeps. I also have two what are called Ford Jeeps, not the Willys Jeep. Ford Jeeps are almost identical. I also have the chassis of one that has just after been restored.
John is aiming to complete his restoration in spring 2023, just in time for the new owner to reenact the 80th anniversary of the Normandy landings.
Please support our valuable work in preserving Irish transport heritage. To help fund the travel costs of our team, we've put together a collection of downloadable transport prints available to buy now.